Day 2 was all about AI, and for me, my take home was these chatbots are not necessarily AI, but it opened up the opportunity that the chatbots use AI models, and which got me thinking of how I can use the AI models in my course, in designing lesson plans, in designing my course studies, and making work faster.
We learned how to utilize AI while leaving ourselves a creative gap, what formats one should be able to use so that AI is used in the most effective ways and not to make them lazy people, how to effectively apply AI in education so that people actually learn and not just copy and paste things.
Oh my God, it was such an amazing experience. I got to learn practically how we can use the different AI tools to aid in our education and to aid in our facilitation. We went through sessions that were training us on how to come up with our own ideas, how to use AI to magnify those ideas. And it's such an interesting experience to be able to learn something practically as you're going through the process and being able to participate in the decision and in the education that is happening, and not just sitting at the backside and listening. This session helped me to be in the front seat and learn as I am doing exactly what I need to learn. It was amazing.
My full name is David Melbourne Wampamba. I am a facilitator at BAN Radio, and today I have been the lead facilitator for AI in education. I have loved the session because it was attended in full. The participants were really interactive. People learn a lot of things about AI, and some of them feel like it's no longer a competitor, but it's their assistant. So I recommend everyone who sees BAN Radio, MTN activities to frequent these kind of sessions.
Today we have had a training on AI, and I have learned that AI is not an enemy. AI is not here to take my job. AI is here to empower me and make me able to deliver more effectively. And as women in construction and infrastructure, that can help us to be able to deliver more effectively on the projects that we do. And it also ties in very well with our mission as women in construction and infrastructure, Ugandan chapter, which is leveling the ground for effective participation. Effective participation means effectively also delivering on the projects at hand. And so I would really like to thank our partners, BAN Radio, together with MTN Uganda, for making this a possibility.